Right, big question. I basically had just dropped out of university. I'd realised it wasn't really for me. I knew I was better at the sort of practical, learning practically, and I just really wanted to do something where I was learning as well as doing. It feels a lot better to do the sort of, you have a presentation with someone saying, here's how you do this, and then afterwards you get to go and say, I've actually had the chance to do it. And that's what the apprenticeship offered, so it just seemed like it would work way better, and in the end it's actually the best choice for me. And luckily it was during COVID when I just actually dropped out, and I thought, what do I do now? I need to do something. I can't just sit here on my bum and not do anything. So yeah, it turned out to be the best choice. Oh my gosh, like a very bumpy road. Luckily I had Rebecca, my tutor. You were very, very helpful with everything, but I think I kept finding myself thinking, I can't do this. And that probably came from the fact that I had found myself leaving uni and thinking I can't do that, and I probably had some doubts in myself. But I continued to prove that I could do it. I just needed that guidance and someone to say, you're doing well, there's no reason to doubt yourself. And yeah, I got from the beginning where I thought, maybe this is going to be right, I'm not sure, to the middle where I was like, okay, this is probably going okay, I could probably do a bit better, and then I realised this is actually exactly the right choice for me. And at the end I realised this is definitely the right choice, and I ended up with a distinction, so luckily it went well. Ooh, 10 out of 10. You were always there supporting me every week, every couple of weeks. You can do this, just a little reminder, if you need any help, I'm here. Yeah, thankfully, from the Juice Academy, from Apprentify, there was always an avenue of support when I was struggling or when I didn't think I'd be able to get through to the next part. There were a lot of times when I really did think I was just not going to be able to finish it. But there were so many people there ready to support and ready to help. So yeah, I think that the support was constant, and yeah, I'm really thankful for it. Yes, lots of changes actually. So I got promoted just before I even had my grades back, which was really good actually. It was a really great confidence boost. Obviously my team believed in me, and that I'd proven myself enough to be able to do the job, not only the job I was already doing, but to do another job that was even more responsibility. I did that for about 8 months, and then just recently, about a month and a half ago, I got offered a new role. I've been interviewing for that for a little while, a couple of weeks, where I'm now actually a copywriter, which is the thing that I was most passionate about, doing the writing and making things sound good, which is what I find the easiest. So yeah, now I'm a copywriter, and I'm getting paid a little bit more, which feels good. And I've got a bit more responsibility. So yeah, a lot has changed, and I definitely don't think I could have done it without the apprenticeship. Oh, my future goals. I definitely want to stay within marketing, and probably within digital marketing. It sort of comes naturally to me. I'm so on top of social media and I'm so online as a person anyway, that it comes naturally to me to be within that realm. I think within the next year at least, I'm looking to move from not only having a bit more responsibility that I have now, but to managing someone in a couple of years' time, hopefully managing a team. And yeah, just continuing to sort of establish myself in the community and my network, and becoming a respected member of the digital marketing network I'm in. Apprentify, godsend. Supportive, proactive, yeah, just generally pivotal to my journey, and I don't think I could have done it without them, for sure.